Vlog time! Vlogging time.
Story of my life.
Dylan, we're just getting off work. It's 9 o'clock, or 9:10 now. But he went to buy. Bye! That's somebody from work. Dylan went to buy some Lifesavers because they were only 25 cents, and he thought they were gummies, and they're hard candy. So he's pissed because he hates hard candy. So yeah, just getting off work. 12 to 9. What did we do last night? The bowling party. I had to stop early on it because there's somebody from high school that saw me, and so I got I panicked, so I had to stop early. What are you doing? Get out of here! So I had to stop it and quit it. I stopped it, and then we ended up bowling. A couple people got a little drunk, and it was a good time. Good time.
Adam Dingus.
Adam the Dingus. So then I went home, and we played some League of Legends. Look at me unlock my car. Played some League of Legends with Dylan and his friends. All right, I'll see you at my house. Okay. I'm gonna vlog in the car. I'm gonna set you guys up. Hey, hopefully that's good. Okay, so shut up. It's on the inside. Anyway, so I just on the inside of the car. What was I saying? Oh yeah, we played League of Legends with Dylan and a group of his friends, and then I went to sleep. And I worked. Shut up, music. I worked 12 to 9, and now I'm off. And I was upset because yesterday at about 12:10, I had been texting Bree and I asked her a question, and I never got a response. And then so today, just at 7, I sent her like a sad face, and she said she didn't text me back because she didn't like how the question came off. But then again, she never said anything or she didn't say anything for like 2 days or a day and a half. So it upset me. But we're still supposed to be hanging out tomorrow. We're gonna hang out at her house for a little bit until she says otherwise, and that'll be fun. I'll help her hook up her like old game systems and stuff. We'll probably sit around and hang out. Other than that, I'm gonna go home, and me and Dylan he said he wants to go play Black Ops 1 and play all like the old maps for zombies. So we're probably going to play. I want to start with the very first map and play like one game and then do every map, because I think that'd be cool to go back and look upon how it used to be. So that's pretty much that. Vlogging after work. I don't know anything else to talk about. I'm still talking to somebody. Again, I don't know if it's like that because I don't talk to girls very often. I don't talk to girls in general. So I don't know anything about talking to people. So at least I'm being social with new people. I'm gonna get really loud here because I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna talk about next. But I don't know what I'm gonna talk about next. I'm just gonna scream really loud. Oh, turn your speakers down. Warning. It's too late. The warning's too late. You guys are deaf, all of you. Don't wear headsets during my vlogs. I'm gonna start getting more myself lately because I'm starting to get over the fact that me and Bree are actually broken up, and more into the fact that we're just gonna be friends. I just wish we'd hang out and talk like friends, because that's what hurts the most right now. I don't know what else to talk about. Isn't this illegal? I think this is illegal. Is this illegal? Somebody. Okay. All right. I'm almost done. I'm gonna be home soon anyway. Next time I have to stop, I'm turning this off. Leave a comment below if you want to talk about work or driving or screaming really loud at cameras. If you want to say, fuck you! That's not appropriate. Shut up. If you want to talk about illegal things, I'm sure this is illegal. I'm pretty sure. What? Doing it anyway. Who cares about laws? Laws are so weak. You can only be strong if you disobey. That's not true. Don't disobey laws. I'm not saying go break the law, right? Don't go to jail. Because in jail, get a decent place to stay, food, warmth. If you're homeless, what I'm saying is go to jail. Because you're homeless, go to jail. It's probably better. I mean, you might get killed, or stabbed, or raped. That's a touchy subject, but, you know, go there because you're homeless and it's cold outside. So, do it. Just go. This is probably Dylan behind me, and I'm pretty sure his brights are on, and if not, then this car is being a jerk, or just has bright lights in general. Or the cop trying to pull me over, and I'm not gonna care. My lights are on, so. Oh boy, I wish I was a cop. I don't wish I was a cop. I don't think I could be a cop. That wasn't even done. Alright, well, everyone can stalk me from work now, but I'm home, so I think that's all I'm going to talk about. Like I said, leave a comment about work, or screaming, or relationships, or zombies, or driving, or illegal stuff. Alright, well, this is going to be goodbye from me to you guys. So, see ya.